Divisional Public School and Inter College, Model Town and Township, Lahore. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Here is your teacher Shazia Awan. I'll teach social studies to nursery class. My winsome students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I want to see you safe and sound. Be prepared to learn from question number 8 to 12. Question number 8. When did Pakistan come into being? When did Pakistan come into being? Its answer is 14th August 1947. Say it fastly. 14th August 1947. Say it again. 14th August 1947. You have memorized it. Impressive. Question number 9. What is the color of our national flag? What is the color of our national flag? The answer is white and green. Say it fastly. White and green. Say it again. White and green. Wow, you did it. You are awesome. Look, our flag is swaying rhythmically. And you can see the national flag is green with a white stripe. A white crescent and 5-pointed star are on the green field. Question number 10. In which province do you live? In which province do you live? Punjab. Can you see different dresses worn by Punjabis? These are admirable. Okay, let's learn the answer. Say it fastly. Punjab. Say it slowly. Punjab. Very good. Question number 11. Which is the capital city of Pakistan? Which is the capital city of Pakistan? Its answer is Islamabad. Say it fastly. Islamabad. Say it again. Islamabad. I am delighted to see sublime scenery of Islamabad. Aren't you? Question number 12. What is the name of our city? What is the name of our city? Its answer is Lahore. Say it fastly. Lahore. Say it again. Lahore. You have done phenomenal job. I am proud of you. My sweet stars, Allah Hafiz and stay blessed.